Good morning, friends. You might have seen both my videos and you could have understood that what I am and what is life for me. At the end of the day, we are all sailing the same boat. We are in a beautiful journey called life, and every one of us are required to live the life the way you want to. I can't live your life, you can't live my life, every one of us are required to live their own lives. So, how do we live our own lives? So, what is the basic intention about the life? Why is life? What is life basically? Every one of us know spiritually that there are five elements in the world, there are five components in the world, the Panchabhutas, with which our body is made of. So, it is a divine thing. So, being a human being, being a man, being a woman, being born as a human being is something that every one of us are definitely we need to actually tell to God and pray to God every morning for giving us this wonderful life. So, are we really living the life the way we want? So, are we really living the life exactly the way we want? What is your dream? What's your aspiration? So, you might have understood by now that by the end of the day, when I started my things, everyone was criticizing me and telling that, see, Srinivas, you are born with twisted feet, you are being operated, and you should not be, you should take up something which is ideal for you. You should take up a sitting job, you should do your BA, or BBA, or MBA, or MCA, or something, and do it. But I had my aspiration to make my own mark in the field of marketing in the society. So I started my career as a sales promoter for Pidilite, and my last assignment was as a director for SRM University Amravati as the associate director. So a long journey. So I started my career after 10th because in those days the requisite qualifications to be in marketing was only the command over the three languages. And since Telugu was my mother tongue and English and Hindi were more like my mother tongue, being a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya, I took marketing as a career, sales as a career. And though I had the limitations, I never thought I had the limitations. I used to ride bicycle, I used to play cricket, I used to play football, even today I play badminton. I have my own car which I am driving. So I started my career at the rate 40 rupees per day for Pidilite way back in 1987 after my 10th. And that's when I realized that the true potential of myself. So I was going on bicycle in the ups and downs of Visakhapatnam for 40 kilometers per day to ensure that the market is getting penetrated. And then from there, from bicycle to, you might have seen, like to the last assignment of SRM, I went to Europe in the business trip in business class. So, what exactly is the basic secret behind the whole thing? It was, as you know, you might have seen in the both the videos, that the basic secret is the commitment, the dedication, and the aspiration to grow. So I had an aspiration that by the time I retire, I should become the GM or director of a company. So what happened exactly? So when you think for something small, God gives you big. So God will always give you big. So you planned for something that was 10 years later. But when I started my career at the age of 17, and by the age of 46, so within 30 years, I could become the associate director. Yes, if you take nowadays consideration, it is like it seems to be a longer period because nowadays people are reaching the height of executive director from the level of executive just within say half of the period or maybe less than half of it, like 15 years they are becoming executive directors. But it was not the case in those days with the limitations of the market, with the available opportunities in those days. I am sure, I feel for myself that yes, I could achieve something. I could become the executive director, associate director by the age of 46. So, what was the whole core idea behind that? Every time, everywhere, every minute of my life, I was basically pushing myself, not with pain. Many people think that he is pushing with pain. So he is working with pain. He is not comfortable, not exactly. So I keep myself always fit by playing sports. I am, you could be thinking that what Srinivas could be. So Srinivas is basically a diversified persona. So Srinivas is a writer, Srinivas is a singer, Srinivas is a small actor, and Srinivas is a sportsman. So this is what has motivated me. So even today, every one of us are aware that we are going through the tough times of pandemic. So COVID-19 has stopped the moment of every one of us. So we are sitting at home. So today, to keep my ourselves fit, to keep myself fit, and I only can suggest or request every one of you to do small things that will keep you flexible for the rest of your life and away from COVID possibly. So I'm not telling that COVID will not come or will not get struck. If at all you are completely fit, because we saw basketball players, we saw gymnasts, we saw athletes, big athletes, big what do you say, bodybuilders and weightlifters succumb to corona, COVID-19. But yes, we in India and we, every one of us in India or anyone in the globe, if we follow some basic principles, some of the basic tips that can really help us. So this has really helped me and my family away from COVID for the last 6 months. So I'll just tell you something that I had learned and something that I follow on daily basis. So simple exercises, simple thing. All you are required to do is spend 15 minutes of yourself for yourself. So 15 minutes of your time to spare for yourself. It is your me time in the morning. So please spend those 15 minutes for yourself. So let us start what I am doing, and I request you to kindly follow. You do whatever you are comfortable at. You could be doing so many other things like yoga, jogging, and many other things. But these also, if you practice, will be really good for every one of you, and will be good for the health of every one of us. So now, a simple things and simple stretching exercises that it does. Start with, we all know that the entire blood circulation is around here. So the entire palms, entire hands would be having the blood circulation, which actually impacts the brain and which generates, which gives the signals to every part of our body. So it's pretty simple. This is something that I didn't create. Everything that I am doing today is not my patent or something that I had created, but I'm following something that many people have suggested, and that had really helped me. To start with, it's pretty simple. All you are required to do is this part of exercise, you are required to just spend 7 minutes. So just keep your left hand like this and punch it as strong as you can without injuring your legs. So most important, which are without injuring your hands. So most important thing is just punch it for 30 seconds. 30 seconds this way and 30 seconds this way. I'll just show you how it does. Keep your hand straight, punch. Use the right hand to punch. Try to not to move the left hand as much as possible. Yes, spontaneously we move, but try to. So 30 seconds for this. 30 seconds for this. This is one set. So this is for 1 minute. The second minute, keep your hand like this. Keep it strong and hit it like this. Just a second, I'll remove my watch because certain things will not work. Okay, so yeah. And the left hand, right. So 30 seconds for this, 30 seconds for right hand, 30 seconds for left hand. Now, we people would be having all the energy over here. So hit it like this for 1 minute. Ensure Just hands are as straight as possible. Now, see, these two should be in. That is one set. So we are done with three. This is the fourth one. You can increase the frequency if you can, but 7 minutes is sufficient for this set of it. So 1 minute each. Now, we might have observed that many of our ancestors, even today, many of us, not ancestors, many of the senior people between the age of say 60 to 80, if they clap like this. Why do they do like that? We do like this, we do like this, but this is the exact way they do. Why? Because our entire energy is over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 10 points. Yes, these two will be tough, but these 4 can definitely touch. So clap like this for 1 minute. So we're done with 5 sets of it. So 5 minutes done. So now releasing the entire stress and the strain which is there in the fingers. So all you're required to do is just keep your fingers like this and rub between the fingers. Just rub for 1 minute. And you will feel the amount of energy that is generated. Then after this, the final one, keep your wrist like this. The entire energy is being generated here, so it has to flow to the rest of the part of the body. So just twist like this. Try to keep the hand straight, left hand straight, right hand, the middle finger. Try if at all you can connect, even if it's not possible. But with the thumb and the middle finger, you just try to move around the wrist. The same you does it for the wrist, for the right hand also. So 30 seconds for this, 30 seconds for this. So 7 minutes. You will feel as if you had walked or had a brisk walk, or maybe you had jogged for half an hour or 40 minutes. So that is the tremendous energy that you will be getting by just doing this. Now coming to the next set of it. So every one of us know that we are all having the issues with the breathing. Corona is basically because of that. COVID-19, everyone is suffering because of it. Yes, of course. We saw that people who are having certain habits of smoking and all, they are suffering a lot. But yes, with due respect to everyone, I would always suggest that I am away from smoking or boozing. But yes, I would always suggest smoking is very dangerous and the most proactive for COVID-19 because it affects the lungs. So what exactly is COVID-19 doing? It is going through the mouth, it is going to the lungs, and it is blocking the entire nasal system, due to which it is getting spread entire body, and from the lungs you are unable to breathe. Breathing is the common problem that everyone are facing. So I just do simple things. So what I do every day is like simple things. Close your ears with your thumb and use your ring finger and close your nose. Just take a big breath from inside, from your mouth, and release from your nose. While you do that, close your mouth. Reverse the process. Do this for 5 times, 8 times, 10 times, 15 times, as comfortable as you are. Now, coming to the next step of it. Do the same thing Close your ears, then close your right part of the nose, right nostril. Close your mouth, don't open your mouth. Breathe with the left nostril and release from the right one. And do it vice versa. You might be hearing a sound. That sound is precisely because we are having a deep sleep and the nasals are to get cleared. You believe or not, friends, I am just 48 years old, and if you take professionally, I am left with, if you take the American retirement age, I am still left with 21 years of service. So in India, some people feel that 50 is over, 60 is retirement. I don't feel so. I every time say that I am just 48 years young. So the third thing that we are required to do with the nostrils is take a deep breath and release. Close your mouth, close your ears. That will release the entire thing until the upper abdomen. Now, the next thing that it does is the simple stretching exercises. So, everything is there around your neck and the shoulders, right? That every one of us know. So, simple thing that we are required to do is like a simple neck exercise. So, keep your neck down, up, down, up, down, up. Do it as many times as you are comfortable at. Now, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now, tilt it towards the left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now, simple thing. Just rotate your neck. It's pretty simple. And reverse it. Doesn't it look simple? It's very simple. We doesn't do it because we generally forget and ignore it, taking our body for granted. So at the end of the day, I'll just give a small example. So every one of us would be having cars, I believe. So you bought a new car, some BMW or Mercedes Benz. Okay, let's take Mercedes Benz. So you bought a car for maybe a 1 year, and you will be going for a ride to a long drive, or a long ride to a hill station. So are you comfortable? Yes, you will not get any problems. Why? Because the car is a new brand showroom car. So your body, your car is something that is transporting you. You will be having ambitions in your life. So become a doctor, to become a scientist, or to become a director. Yes. Like for example, I became associate director after 30 years of hard work. So everyone would be having the aspirations which takes years. But believe my friends, if you focus on your body for 6 months, you will be getting the best shape. So you will be getting a body which is like a showroom car, a showroom ready car. So try to do it because that will help you in all the tough times. Okay? Now, simple stretching exercise for the hands. Just keep your hands like this. Keep on the shoulder. Just rotate it. Do it the other way around. Do the same like this and like this, and also do it like this. So what will happen? A simple thing that will free your shoulder, your back, and you are going to just lock your hands and do it like this. I remember when I was playing cricket some 20-25 years back, my people used to walk, run around the ground for 2 rounds or 3 rounds. I never used to do that. I was doing all these simple things for 10 minutes and I was physically fit, flexible to be doing the best in the covers. You know very well how tough it is in the covers. But I was the best fielder in the covers, I was the best goalkeeper. How could I do that? Simple. Your body, you need to love your body, you need to ensure that you are going to be flexible, you are going to work out of the body. Now, this part is over as we are sitting. Okay. Now, the other side of it. Keep your legs straight. Try to bend as far as possible. Okay. As much as possible. Don't stress too much on your back. You may injure your back. Be very cautious. But don't do as much. Just stretch as much as possible. We need not be like we may not be perfect. We need not be touching our head over here or our heads over to the legs. Not required. But do as much as possible. Slowly you will be able to do that. Slowly you will be able to reach it. Anything, everything, slowly increase the count. Now, sleep. The easiest and the most lovable asana that everyone of us really learned, right? Savasana, happy to sleep, but all you are required to do is do that, relax, and move towards the left, move towards the right, as much as you can. Now, again, just do the cycling while sleeping. Sounds good, right? Cycling while sleeping. Then raise your legs as far as possible. Just come back to your normal course. Okay. Now something that we can do while standing. Friends, you'll have to excuse me because technology helps. Okay, now let me keep it in the ear, that's better. Now that I'm standing. Okay. Now while standing, very simple stretching exercise. Technology is a savior, but also you have to get accustomed to that. That's what I learned in this last 6 months. Technology helps, but also you have to get used to it. So I am used to something like hitting the floor, giving training programs, being a public speaker, and today what I am doing is doing the same, but on Zoom, on Cisco, on Skype, and everything. So that is what is it. So friends, now this is one thing. Then the second thing, rotate your body as far as possible. Simple stretching exercise. Keep your hands straight. Same that we are what doing in this while sitting. Now tilt towards the left, right, left, right, left, right. Raise your legs, do the cycling, and a bit of speed walk. So how much time you are taking? If I am not wrong, those 7 minutes and this maybe another 10 minutes. So 17 minutes. So now let's spend another some 10 or 15 minutes. So not more than half an hour. You need not spend more than half an hour. Take your dumbbell. I use a 2.5 kilo 5 kg dumbbell. So either 2.5 or 5 kg, whatever you're comfortable with. Simple. Do it like this. I does it for 18 times every day. Your choice, your comfort. Repeat with the left hand. Raise it. Raise the left hand. Now, keep it like this. The other way around, keep it like this. Then try to lift with single hand. With the other hand. Then do it like this. How much time did it take? All you are required to do is spend just that half an hour for yourself. That me time. Anytime, your choice. Anytime, whenever you wake up. Now it's COVID-19 times and everyone are working extra hours or working late. But yes, this will help you. So this hardly takes half an hour. So friends, how are you feeling now? So all you are required to do is just do this, and I would say this will help you. And I believe that I always aspire that I work for until the last breath of mine, and that is possible only if you keep yourself fit. And unless until you keep yourself fit, it's not possible. So, what are the four components? For me, for anyone, by the way, the aspiration to do something, the zeal and commitment to achieve it, gain the knowledge to attain it, and keep yourself fit to do it. So friends, keep subscribing my channel and watch more videos of mine. There are more of videos that will be coming up, more videos that will take us through the beautiful journey of life. So we can live together, stay together. Whatever I had learned, I will share with you. Whatever I know, whatever I am doing. So today, people feel that now at least the people who were telling that Srinivas does all that with pain. No. I am a sales and soft skills trainer for the last 18 years. I am in sales and marketing for 33 years. And I am aspiring to be till the last breath of mine. So maybe what with the blessings of every one of you, maybe under 15 or 20 years or 30 years, depends. So until then, that is possible only because of this, and I can today work the same way like I was working 33 years back. Of course, the only difference is like I may not be able to do bicycling for 40 kilometers, but yes, even today I work for 15 hours a day. I can stand for 2 to 3 hours a stretch for training program, and I can travel and by morning flight, evening flight, and I can give my best and always have a perception that I believe only in one perception: love life, love others, live for life, live for others. Thank you, friends. Keep updated. Watch my upcoming videos. In next few videos, I will tell you how I could do that. Thank you.